How to get thousands of followers on your page, your business page, and grow your Facebook group at the same time with very cheap Facebook ads. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. I'll jump right into my ads manager and show you how to set it all up very easily. Facebook profile, and if you go up here on the top right, there's 9 buttons. It's a menu. Go to the left side of the menu, scroll down. It's a little bit different where it's at, but there you have Ads Manager. If you haven't set it up, then I have other videos that shows you how to do that, but it's very simple. Facebook actually guides you very well. So now we go to the Ads Manager. And then we click on the green button up here, Create. And we want to choose engagement campaign. It says here that it's for these things to get more messages, purchases, store messaging, video views, post engagement, and page likes. So that's the one, engagement. Click continue. And I always like the manual setup, but I think you can use the recommended settings also. Facebook makes it easier for people who just want to take their recommendations. I think it's okay in this case, but it's not always the best. So click continue. So then we want to give it a name. Let's just call it page like campaign. We go down. None of that. We use advantage campaign budget optimization. That is always good, even though we're probably just going to have one ad in there. Adjust the budget. Daily budget is best. You can also have lifetime budget and then set it for a week or a month or so, but you can always go in and turn it off anyway. So then you go down and then you click next, and then you go to scroll down a little bit here under conversions. There's Facebook page. Get people to engage with your Facebook page. That's it. Click that. Make sure you choose the right Facebook page down here. I have several, so I'm gonna choose this one. And scroll down. All this is fine. Then set the location. The location is important. You can set it for worldwide and get the cheapest likes, because then Facebook is simply gonna find the cheapest likes, the people who will like your page for the cheapest price. But if you want to use your Facebook page and your group for selling something only in the US, for instance, then you can choose the US here as location, and you'll only get people who are actually living there. But it's going to cost a lot more. It's more expensive to advertise to the US than to some other countries. I would also use the Advantage Plus audience. And we just let Facebook find the placements, Advantage Plus placements. That is fine, because it's going to optimize just to find the most people to like your page as possible. So we want to take advantage of their AI for that. Click next. Now you want to set up the ad media. I found that just a simple image works best. It's actually the cheapest, because liking a page is not a big ask for people. The more you ask people to do, the more information they need. So if it's purchasing something expensive or so, then video is better, but it's going to cost more. For something simple like liking a page, then a picture is good, and just a nice headline. So I got this picture where I show thumbs up, click done, and then you want to add a primary text, like I'm gonna write like my page to learn all about marketing for coaches and consultants. And then Facebook also suggests some extra variations. You can have 5 different primary texts, and from what you wrote here, the AI comes up with different variations of that, and they're usually pretty good. There's unlock the secrets of marketing for coaches and consultants. Like our page to learn more. I'll add that, and then what it's gonna do is when it finds people, it's gonna show them the text that it thinks will resonate most to that individual person. So that's pretty cool. The next one is unlock your coaching potential. Like my page to learn more. Add that. Then it's gonna add them up here. And the next one is unlock marketing secrets for coaches and consultants. Like my page to learn more. There's not much difference, but it can make a difference for some people if they want to like it or not. Small variations count too. And then there's unlock your marketing potential. Like my page now to learn more, to learn how. You can also write your own copy here, your own text. So so that's basically it. Then you just click publish. I'm not gonna publish it, but that's it. Then it's done, and you'll get lots of page likes. And now I'll show you how you can actually use all these page likes you get on your business page to also grow your Facebook group. So now here I'm back on Facebook, and I'm logged into the page where we're running the page like campaign to. This one. And then we want to go to the groups. So the group has to be set up under the page that you're running the page likes to. So make sure you're logged into that page here. Go to the group. It's this one that I have. And then you simply click on invite Facebook friends. And here it has automatic invites. Save time by automatically sending group invitations to your followers. We'll only send invites to your top fans and recently active followers. So this is perfect. It's going to send automatic invites only to the most active followers though. But you can also do it manually here. Just simply click on people that you want to add, and just send invites. But now it's set up to do it automatically. You'll grow your Facebook page and your group automatically with Facebook ads, and you can do it really, really cheap, like $1 or $2 a day. The more you spend, the faster you get followers and also group members. So hope this was helpful. Comment below if you have any questions. Give me a like if you like it. Subscribe for more. Share it with people who also may find it useful. And if you're a coach or consultant and you want more clients, then we specialize in getting clients, not just leads for coaches and consultants. Right now we have an offer where you only pay us when you get a paying client. We won't have this offer forever, so book a call with me to learn more about it. There's a link in the description to book a call. And also we have some free downloads down below. There's a Facebook ad template. If you want to run your own Facebook ads, you can go ahead and download that and follow it for setting up your Facebook ads. And we have a free ebook, Mastering Social Media Strategies for coaches and consultants. That's more organic marketing. Go ahead and download that. And you can join this Facebook group. Link in the description to learn more about marketing for coaches and consultants from me and other marketers. So go ahead and join that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.